yeah. So I think like a week ago, and I made a video and I make a true say, Kofo is to say, Mona Gucci. Yeah, you see it on to me and go back to Amanoni. And I say Mona Gucci, so there. I born a bride now, it's like after sa Kofo air claim say, like, or no news to me call my friend is saying, I portray and I say USC and I say we. And no ebe ye audio and the send a year to na to or a blogger Instagram and Facebook and I see or your audio edman say we have two molars in Ghana, right? In no like Mona for real and I say Hajia4Real. Okanya can say mpono Hajia4Real scammer. Well, not a same way me and brought me news about that same way no and check like few days after and Hajia4Real no or call tour on a fancy garden or call tour UK call promotee or so I was like and yeah Hajia4Real I say Mona Gucci sound to me and trade so like what is going on but Kamia Kwaya said that wasn't it or after say bomb show no UK no and I told you say yachi Hajia4Real and I say Mona4Real you say sikabi 8 million US dollars na sia sika we won say Hajia4Real has something and I say she has a hand in it. Well, people were actually thinking say of course in conformity editing video coming kofana some of the pictures coming so it could be say she's actually innocent and has nothing to do with scamming but guys Mona Gucci or can say yemisa Aisha Mudi say Aisha Mudi no so according to say some investigative will be like I think social media they know like they know about it and see okay say could be Aisha Mudi and say this thing could be true say Mona4Real onini kunu allegedly yes scammers but after said a news ever circulating social media so it for car post here said yachi Hajia4Real no Kofobi edom reaction about okay including a delay. Now we all know that delay doesn't actually like Mona4Real. I don't know say if I'm wrong but Mobe Kaya after say delay edin the birthday no within days and Hajia4Real so edin the birthday so people were actually not people but the mafia gang akpe any Asibolanga any my friend said Tracy watch they are comparing delay birthday party no to Hajia4Real almost say sika any bema so same way me just anye delay then no say yachi Hajia4Real na se ni sika no na se scamming say pro no bana henti ni sika na se that means say she's been scamming she's been duping people it's ni sika ni pono she didn't work hard for it so like hey Ghana so this is what delay wrote but this could be an inspirational quote. I mean she didn't mention Hajia4Real's name so I'll say guys don't let the internet rush you. Life is not competition. Life is working for you in your own time zone. You are not too late or too early. I read this some time ago. New York is 3 hours ahead of California, but that doesn't make California slow. Someone graduated at the age of 22, but waited 5 years before securing a job. Someone became a CEO at 25 and died at 50, while another became a CEO at 50 and lived to 90 years. Someone is still single, while someone else got married. Obama retired at 55 years and Trump started at 70. New York, okay, so people around you might seem to be ahead of you, and some might seem to be behind you, but everyone is running their own race in their own time. Life is about waiting for the right moment to act. You are very much on time. And I'll do good night. And see, delay actually posted this few hours after the rumors that Hajia4Real has been arrested, and it makes sense. Say, people are actually thinking, say, it's a shade to Hajia4Real, but then again, I think, say, delay wakwa kan ewo a friend is saying wakwa kan program be as simple say internet no ma youth for no they shouldn't feel pressured. Sometimes it's not what it seems like. Sometimes they are showing you some things and it's not even for real. You see, and pressure. I don't even necessarily think say it was a shame to Hajia4, but then again, she's the one that has been compared to Mona Gucci. Hajia4Real compare birthday parties na ye hu say a bit DDBH. In fact, had we got mafia gang from say delay the birthday party na our day and our day party and Hajia4Real dey birthday and customer see well we so every Shatta Wale honum na Shatta you know posting 12 hours ago on IG and we know that Shatta calls Mona Gucci his mom, right? So and allegedly people were actually saying that Shatta has a hand in Hajia4Real being arrested. I don't really know much about that one, but this is what Shatta is saying on IG just 12 hours ago. Or say, I am not shy calling you my mom. I am not ashamed even if they call you names. But I know some people mistakes and God forgives them. And so this Shatta is saying that people mistakes and they forgive them. So that means say Hajia it's true she's been scamming. And since scamming now I know. Is that what Shatta you mean? Because this thing clear give me. Or sounds to say the God I worship never disappoints. Just become and this shall pass. Keep that bright smile cause I can see a light at the end of the tunnel. In Siciliano, Shatta Wale, motivational speaker now maybe so. Like, are you now a motivational speaker? Okay, so this actually pretty much confirms because GH Hyper or a blogger Emma Hajia4Real or no can say it's a lie that Hajia4Real hasn't been arrested. But this coming from Shatta Xposed Hajia4Real the picture so I only know at all. So this actually clear say in fact Hajia4Real has been arrested in UK over $8 million. So let's pray for her. Say and she be and so we kind back to Ghana. Everything for I have say and I'm doing this meeting and then another drive to be a
Onyadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasie wie na wo penchensen papa de abosom anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam ne true things abie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda